Okay, I want to show you something really cool. Here I have two aluminum rods and I have a little steel weight. It's not magnetic, it's just a steel weight. And I also have a magnet, a really strong magnet. But aluminum is not magnetic. Like, this is not magnetic at all. But something really cool happens when a magnet moves through a non-magnetic metal. Watch this. I'm going to drop these at the exact same time and you're going to see how much slower it takes for the magnet to fall through. Watch. 1, 2, 3, drop. Isn't that cool? Like, it's defying gravity. It's slowing down. Like, look, this is it normally. This is it falling through the tube. What's going on here? So this is really cool. What's happening when you drop this through is a changing magnetic field. Like, there's a magnetic field around this magnet, but a changing magnetic field induces a current to flow through a metal. And so as this falls, it starts creating currents in here, like moving electrons that, another note, when you have moving electrons, those create their own magnetic field. And so what happens is that as this thing falls through, as this magnet falls through, it starts creating currents in here that are then creating their own magnetic fields that are opposing this magnetic field. And so what happens is there's a magnetic force pushing up on this magnet as it's falling through, slowing it down, making it look like it defies gravity. And I can prove to you that changing a magnetic field induces a current, creates a current. Watch this. So here, I just have a coil of wire. Like, this is just wire coiled up into a loop. There's nothing else about this. And it's connected with other wires to this device called a multimeter, which is measuring electric current. And you can see it here. Currently, it's reading 0 because there's no power supply, there's no battery, it's not plugged into the wall. Nothing here is generating electricity, except I have a magnet. And so you'll see in a second, this thing will start reading a current. Watch this. When I change the magnetic field, look at this. Look, I'm making electricity. I'm making current flow through this. I'm making electricity by just moving a magnet. Look at that. It's reading current. There's electrons flowing through this, moving in these wires, which is what electricity is, simply by moving a magnet. Isn't that really cool? This is actually how we make our electricity. Like, this is how we generate electricity. We move magnets, which causes current to flow through wires. That's super cool. Stay curious. Look at that. I'm making electricity. I'm making electricity.